Hi, everyone. I just wanted to jump on really quick and talk to you about COVID and dentistry and how they interact. I've gotten a lot of questions from patients and from friends about should you see the dentist during this whole COVID pandemic? And the answer for me is undoubtedly yes. You should absolutely see your dentist. Oral care and oral health is a part of total body health, and if you let one lapse, undoubtedly something else is going to happen later on down the road. So you do want to maintain regular dental visits. And you don't want to skip your dental visits because if something does come up teeth wise or oral health wise, and you're putting it off for a year at this point, and then who knows how long this is going to go on, maybe another 6 months to a year, um, problems can really add up fast. So something that would have been a quick fix if you went to see your dentist earlier is now going to be something that's probably a little bit more expensive and a little bit more time consuming. So if your goal was to avoid being in the office and being around people in the dental office, by putting it off, you might actually be forcing yourself to spend a little bit more time there. So I definitely say go. Your teeth matter, your oral health matters, your total body health matters. So you don't want to put it on hold, even as scary as this whole pandemic can be. Dentists, we're really well equipped. We've been through a lot of training. We know how to sterilize and disinfect things. That's been a part of our protocol for years, and we've really upped it during this pandemic. So if that's something you're worried about, you definitely should not be. We've also implemented new things, so more masks, more specialized equipment. So you're really safe. We feel really safe, and we feel that we're able to give you really safe and effective care. So definitely go see your dentist. That being said, I did also want to touch on the vaccine. So if you live in a state where the vaccine is a little bit more accessible, you should absolutely 100% go ahead, get the vaccine, let your dental provider know because they'll really feel more comfortable treating you. And if there's something that's more elective or cosmetic, they will be more willing to treat you if they know that you've been vaccinated. And in that, to the same vein, if you live in a city where dentists are kind of first on the list of getting the treatment, the vaccine, then you should feel really safe going to see them. I unfortunately live in a state where they are being a little bit more slow to roll out the vaccine, and dentists are not in that first round necessarily. We're in the first round, but kind of towards the end. So should you see your dentist if you live in a state that's like that? Again, absolutely, your health matters, your oral health matters. So you don't want to be skipping your dental appointments. Do feel safe, but you always want to have a little bit of caution if nobody has been vaccinated yet. But it is in the works. Dentists in my state and other states are lobbying to really be able to provide care the best that we can, and we do think that having the vaccine will help us do that. So get the vaccine if you're a patient. If you're a dentist and wondering about if you should get the vaccine, absolutely get the vaccine. I know there's some people who feel one way or another towards the vaccine, but we're healthcare professionals, we're scientists by nature, so I believe in science. The vaccine, it's only here to help. It's gonna get rid of COVID in 5 days? Absolutely not, but it is a step in the right direction. So definitely get the vaccine. Do your part to keep COVID at bay. Wash your hands, wear a mask, cover your mouth. Try to stay 6 feet apart, but when you do, interact with other people, make sure you're wearing your mask. And the dentist, we're here to help you. It's my favorite thing to do to treat patients. So, pandemic or not, I would always, put myself in a situation again for sure. Like, this is what we signed up for. So, if you have any questions, ask them. Feel free to email me or shoot me a DM.